Good morning, students. So we'll continue with the chapter, the cop and the anthem. Page number 26. So in this part of the story, we'll read. Soapy tries his luck twice again, but cops remain indifferent as ever. पहले भी उसने try किया था, but he was not successful in getting into the jail. So in the next part of the story, we'll read that he tries his luck twice, but again the cops remain indifferent to him. Soapy is suddenly reminded of his childhood home and mother and resolves to turn over a new leaf. Turn over a new leaf means, this is a phrase. What is the meaning of turn over a new leaf? To start a new chapter of the life, to change his life. Feeling a hand on his arm, Soapy turns around to see the broad face of a cop. When he decided to change himself, when he decided to turn the new leaf of his life, only then he saw a cop standing in front of him. Means कि जब उसने चाहा कि वो अपनी जिंदगी बदल दे, then he was not successful. Then he came to another cop standing in front of a big theater. He thought of something else to try. When he saw another cop standing in front of theater, he was thinking some plan. He began to shout as if he had too much to drink. तो उसने ऐसे pretend किया, इतना जोर से shout किया कि जैसे उसने बहुत drink की हो. His voice was as loud as he could make it. He danced, he cried out. I mean, whatever he could do with that situation, he just tried everything. And the cop turned his back to Soapy, but the cop didn't say anything to him, but he turned his back. उसने अपनी पीठ घुमा ली उसकी तरफ से, and said to a man standing near him. Now the cop said something to the man standing nearby. It's one of those college boys. He won't hurt anything. We have orders to let them shout. They were ordered not to say anything to the college boys who were making noise over there, because they are not going to hurt anyone. So they just thought that Soapy was a college boy and he would do nothing harmful. He would provide no harm to anyone. That is why they have got orders not to say them anything. Soapy was quiet. Now he was calm and quiet. Was no cop going to touch him? He was just thinking in his mind कि अब भी उसको कोई cop touch नहीं करेगा. He began to think of the island as if it were as far as a star. Now he was just imagining that island, and it seemed as far as a star from him. He pulled his thin coat around him. The wind was very cold, क्योंकि हवा बहुत ठंडी थी. Then he saw a man in a shop buying a newspaper. The man's umbrella stood beside the door. Now the man who was buying that newspaper, his umbrella was there beside the door. Soapy stepped inside the shop, took the umbrella and walked slowly away. Now, what did he think in his mind? That he would steal that umbrella. And in that charge, the cop would definitely arrest him. तो उसने अपनी तरफ से ये कोशिश की कि वो अम्ब्रेला उठा लेगा, उसको चोरी कर लेगा. So he just stepped inside the door. He just took the umbrella and walked slowly away. और जल्दी वहां से चला गया. The man followed him quickly. Now the man whose umbrella was that, he just followed him. My umbrella, he said. Oh, is it? Said Soapy. Why don't you call a cop? Then if it is your umbrella, I have stolen it. Why don't you call the police? I took it, your umbrella. Why don't you call a cop? Again, he's saying the same thing. He's repeating. There's one standing at the corner. You see, one of the cops is standing there in the corner. The man walked more slowly. Now he became more slow. Soapy did the same. उसने फिर वही किया जो वो कह रहा था, जो वो कर रहा था. But he had a feeling that he was going to fail again. But उसके अंदर ये आवाज आ रही थी, he was having that feeling that he is going to fail once again, कि उसकी ये trick भी काम नहीं करेगी and he will fail in it. The cop looked at the two men. Now the cop who was standing at the corner, he was just looking at both of them, one Soapy and the another whose umbrella was there. I said the umbrella man, that is, you know how these things happen. If that's your umbrella, I'm very sorry. Now see that man who was claiming that umbrella was his, actually that umbrella was not his. उसने भी कहीं से लिया था या उठाया था, कोई ऐसे छोड़ गया होगा, तो उसने ये कहने की कोशिश की, I don't know how the things happen. If it is your umbrella, please you keep it with you. I'm very sorry. I found it this morning in a restaurant. आज सुबह मुझे ये किसी रेस्टोरेंट में मिला था. If you say it's yours, I hope you will. कि अगर तुम्हारा है तो तुम्हारा ही होगा. It's mine, cried Soapy with anger in his voice. Now there was anger in his voice. Actually, it was not his, but he was just saying, it's mine, it's mine. The umbrella man hurried away. Now he was quite frightened to see the cop because he himself had stolen that umbrella. So he just ran from there. The cop helped the lady across the street. Now, अब जो cop था वो एक lady को street cross कराने में help करने लगा. Soapy walked east. Soapy started walking towards the east direction. He threw the umbrella as far as he could throw it. He talked to himself about cops and what he thought of them. Because he wished to be arrested, they seemed to believe he was like a king who could do no wrong. Now he was just feeling that he was like a king. That is why no cop was daring to arrest him. इसीलिए किसी में हिम्मत नहीं थी उसको अरेस्ट करने की. He was feeling like he was not a thief, he was not, an idle man, but he was the king. At last, Soapy came to one of the quiet streets on the side of the city. कुछ काम सी गलियों में वो वहां पहुंचा सिटी के अंदर. He turned here and began to walk south toward Madison Square. Madison Square south की तरफ वो चलने लगा. He was going home, although home was only a seat in a park. What was his home? We read in the beginning of the chapter. It was just a seat that was there in the park. At a very quiet corner, Soapy stopped. पर एक बहुत ही शांत कॉर्नर में वो वहां खड़ा हो गया. He just stopped there. Here was his old childhood home. क्योंकि उसका वाकई में वहां पर एक पुराना childhood घर था. Through one window, he could see a soft light shining. So out of the window, he could see the shining light. That had been his living room where he had spent many happy, peaceful moments. So that was his living room where he had spent a lot of good time. Sweet music came to Soapy's ears and seemed to hold him there. Now a sweet music was coming from inside the house, and it seemed that it held Soapy just over there. He was just fixed to that place because of that soft music. वो आगे बढ़ ही नहीं सका. It just seemed to hold him there. ऐसे लगा कि जैसे उस म्यूजिक ने उसको वहां पकड़ लिया हो. The moon was above, peaceful and bright. The moon was really peaceful and it was quite bright. There were few people passing. कुछ लोग गुजर रहे थे. He could hear birds high above him. The birds who were high above him, he could listen to the voice of the birds. And the music that came from the room held Soapy there, for he had known it well long ago. For means क्योंकि. यहाँ इसका मतलब है क्योंकि वो इसको बहुत लंबे टाइम पहले से जानता था. In those days, his life contained such things as mothers and flowers and high hopes and friends and clean thoughts and clean clothes. So at that time, what he had with him, he had everything with him. What we can think of. What do we need in our life? We need our parents, right? We need our friends. We have some hopes. We want to live with cleanliness. We want to have some clean thoughts in our mind. Means no worries should be there. यही हम सब चाहते हैं. A stress-free life, है ना? So he had everything, like mothers, flowers. Flowers is a symbol of happiness. जिसको देख के हम खुश होते हैं कि मेरे आसपास फूल हैं, पेरेंट्स हैं मेरे, बहुत अच्छी ऊंची होप्स हैं. Can you survive without hope? No, we cannot survive without hope. So hope is the best thing that we can ever have in our life. There was a sudden and wonderful change in his soul. तो उसकी जो आत्मा थी एकदम से वो चेंज हो गई to see his childhood home. He saw with sick fear how he had fallen. अब उसको वो डर लगने लगा था कि वो यहाँ वहां से यहाँ कैसे गिरा, कैसे पहुंचा. He saw his worthless ways, his wrong desires, his dead hopes, the lost power of his mind. Now everything was dead. He had no hopes. He was only having some fear. He had lost the power of his mind. मतलब उसका दिमाग काम नहीं करता था. He was, he used to be idle. उसकी जो desires थी, those were not good, those were wrong. And also in a moment, his heart answered this change in his soul. तो एकदम से उसके दिल ने जो उसकी आत्मा बदली, उसका आंसर दिया. He would fight to change his life. Now he was ready to fight with his life to change it. It is very necessary whenever you realize that you are going in some wrong direction, or you are just walking on some wrong path. It is very necessary, if your soul makes you realize that you are doing something wrong, it is very important at that time you should mend your ways. So his soul just gave him some signals to change his life. He would pull himself up out of the mud. वो जिस कीचड़ में धंसा हुआ था, he decided to pull himself up. He would make a man of himself again. What is the meaning of this phrase? Is the sentence. He would make a man of himself again. कि वो दोबारा से एक अच्छा इंसान बनेगा. There was time, he was young enough, because he had sufficient time. He was young enough. He could do everything, whatever he wanted. He would find his old purpose in life and follow it. He would find the purpose of his life. Now he was without any purpose. He was just wandering here and there without any hopes, without any desire, and without any aim. That sweet music had changed him. वो जो एक स्वीट म्यूजिक उसके अपने घर से आ रहा था, उसने उसकी पूरी लाइफ चेंज कर दी. Tomorrow he would find work. Now as it was getting dark, so he thought that tomorrow he would find a work. A man had once offered him a job. He reminded कि once a man offered him a job. He would find that man tomorrow. He would be somebody in the world. Means कि वो दुनिया में कुछ बनेगा. Somebody means कुछ बनेगा. He would. Now he is very much determined. So he would is referring to his determination. Soapy felt a hand on his arm, and at that time only he just felt a hand on his arm. He looked quickly around into the broad face of a cop. Now who was there? There was a cop. So he just looked at his broad face, as we can see in the picture. What are you doing hanging around here? कि तुम यहाँ लटकते झूमते फिरते क्या कर रहे हो? Why are you wandering here? Asked the cop. Nothing, said Soapy. Soapy ने बोला nothing. You think I believe that? Now when he is speaking truth, cop did not believe him. So this is the irony of our life. Irony means, what is the meaning of irony? Yes, whatever you think, whatever you expect, and exactly opposite to that is happening with you. When he himself was desired that some cop should arrest him, no one was arresting him. Now when his soul gave him some signals, उसको अंदर से आवाज आई है, his inner voice just persuaded him to be something in life, that he can be something in the world. He can make a man of himself. And at that time, what happened? A cop just arrested him, and he did not believe him. Full of his new strength, Soapy began to argue. Now it was the time that he started arguing. Otherwise, he would not have done it. अगर वो उसको सिग्नल वो नहीं मिला होता, और अगर वो उस घर के पास नहीं आया होता. And it is not wise to argue with the New York cop, because they are really very strict. They would not believe anyone, and they would definitely arrest him. Come along, said the cop. 3 months prison on Blackwell's Island, said the judge to Soapy next morning. So next morning, he was sentenced that punishment that you will be in the prison on Blackwell's Island for 3 months. So this is the irony of our life. So many things happen with us in our life also. You face irony in your life also. So there is a task for you people. You will write about any irony that happened in your life. Clear? Out of the syllabus. So now we'll discuss the question answers. What are some of the signs of approaching winter? Refer to, who is it? What are some of the signs of approaching winter? Refer to in the text. Yes, Ajitesh.
The signs of approaching winter are movement on birds from south to west, and leaves covering the ground.
Where is it? Anji, there are certain signs to show that winter is coming. Birds begin to fly south. People, but we will write in the past tense. So people wanted new warm coats, and Soapy moved restlessly on his seat in the park. When we see these signs, we know that winter is near. Right? True or false? Soapy did not want to go to prison. False. Soapy had been to prison several times. It was not possible for Soapy to survive in the city through the winter. Soapy hated to answer questions of a personal nature. Huh? How would you know that? ये हमें कैसे पता चला कि Soapy hated to answer questions of a personal nature? Right. Sit down. What was Soapy's first plan? Why did it not work? You were not audible, Krisha. Someone with a loud voice. Yes, Ajitesh.
His first plan was to meet and express the and steps and that they for walks and talks to us. His plan did not waiters and waiters for it.
This is on page number 22. This is on page number 22, Ajitesh.
Yes.
Huh?
First part,
Hanji. So there were many easy ways of doing this. The most pleasant way was to go and have a good dinner at some fine restaurant. Then he would say that he had no money to pay, and then a cop would be called. But the cop's mind would not consider Soapy. What did the cop not consider and why? Yes, Dhruv. Bete, come forward.
The cop didn't consider that a man like Soapy could do a crime at all because Soapy was so innocent that he requested the cop to arrest him, and the cop didn't believe his ears that a man himself would request to arrest him.
Okay, right answer. Because he did not believe him. He someone who makes a mistake, he himself would say to arrest him. We have orders to let them shout. What is the policeman referring to? Yes, Karan, please.
Man standing
He is referring to one of those college students who would drink but would not make any harm to anyone. Right, true or false? Again, Soapy stole a man's umbrella. True. The owner of the umbrella offered to give it to Soapy. True. The man had stolen the umbrella that was now Soapy's. True. Soapy threw away the umbrella. All are true. There was a sudden and wonderful change in his soul. What brought about the change in Soapy? Yes, bete. Just think of this answer and so the last question of the chapter.
The change that was brought in Sophie was the self-confidence and determination that he generated while remembering his stress-free and good old days. He also wanted to be a successful man by doing a legal job.
So I hope question answers are clear to everyone.